In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a page into a whiteboard in Canva. If you've ever run out of room on a design and wished for a limitless space to brainstorm, sketch flows, or map ideas, this quick process will give you exactly that. Canva's whiteboard view turns a single page into an expansive canvas while keeping your content intact so you can keep building on it. Start by going to your project. From your Canva home, open the design you're already working on so you can see your canvas. Once you're inside your project, look toward the bottom area of the editor where the page thumbnails appear. These are the small previews that show each page in your document. If your design has multiple pages, you'll see them lined up in order, making it easy to spot the one you want. Click the page you want to transform so it becomes the active page. This helps make sure you're targeting the correct one. Now, right-click that page. A context menu will pop up with several options related to the page itself. In that menu, look for the option labeled Expand to Whiteboard and click it. That's the entire conversion. Simple and fast. Right after you choose Expand to Whiteboard, Canva will open that page as a whiteboard-style workspace. You'll notice the canvas feels much larger and more flexible, giving you plenty of room to move around and extend your ideas. Your original content remains, so you can keep working without starting over. You can pan around the space and explore the expanded area to see how much more room you have for planning, mapping, or collaborating. A quick tip: if you don't see the right menu at first, make sure you right-click the page thumbnail or the page area itself, not an individual element on the page. The correct option appears when the page is selected. Also, take a moment to confirm you picked the right page before expanding, especially in multi-page designs, so you're converting the one you truly want to work with. That's all there is to it. Open your project, find the page thumbnails, click, and right-click the page you want. Then choose Expand to Whiteboard. This gives you a generous, free-form space while preserving your content, making it perfect for planning sessions, mind maps, and big-picture layouts. Give it a try on a page where you need more breathing room, and enjoy the flexibility of a whiteboard inside your existing design.